What I have heard from the conference summary and recommendation gives me confidence that Africa is united in putting in place appropriate preparations to better face this global phenomenon of climate change, not only to address its negative impacts, but also to harness the opportunities that it offers in agricultural transformation, food security, and to sustain the momentum for inclusive economic development. This confidence is reinforced by the effective launch of CleanDev Africa Special Fund, call for proposals to finance investments in climate, data and information, support to policy dialogue and research, and strengthening adaptation capabilities of rural communities. Let me take this opportunity to thank our external partners, especially the European Union, Swedish International Development Agency, the Norwegian Development Fund, and the Department for International Development of UK, DFID. CDSF has now been capitalized to the tune of 33 million euro, and I urge you to access these funds and improve the lives of our people. For us at ECA, we will sustain our commitment to support African countries to build resilience to the impacts of climate change in all development sectors. In this endeavor, you can confidently count on the support of our CleanDev Africa partners, the African Union Commission, and the African Development Bank, our strategic partners at the Pan-African level. Our development partners, who have already demonstrated a strong commitment to work with us, I have no doubt in my mind that your presence here is a clear testimony of Africa's determination to pursue a development pathway that is clean, environmentally sound, socially inclusive, and sustainable. At this point, my utmost wish is that the results of this conference be quickly translated into concrete actions